Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own Mediterranean chili sauce. For me personally, this is the best chili sauce. Very easy to do, very natural, great flavor, great spice. Take a look. And what you need is chilies, and you need the sufficient quantity to fill more or less 1/3 of the jar. You also need a sterilized mason jar, and at the end of this video I will show you how to sterilize the jar. It's an easy process, you just have to boil it for 10 minutes. You need some garlic, 2 to 3 cloves per jar, bay leaves or laurel leaves, it's the same thing, and you need 1 leaf per jar, and olive oil. And it should be good quality olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. So first thing, let's cut the chilies. I already washed these chilies, and this is the cayenne type of chili. You can use any type of chili. I'm going to use this one. And these chilies, I grew them at home. So I grew the plant from seed. I made a video also showing how to do it. You can click here in the card to see it. So let's cut these chilies that I grew at home. First thing, cut off this green part. Okay, you can put it out. And then cut the rest of the chili in parts more or less this size. Okay. Then fill the jar with the chilies. Okay. Then use the garlic. And you should use 2 to 3 cloves per jar. Because I really like garlic, I'm going to use 3 big cloves. And cut them, each clove in 2 or 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay, put it in the jar. Next, 1 bay leaf per jar, and you should take out this central vein. So only use the parts of the leaf without the central vein. Okay, so you use these 2 parts, put them inside of the jar. And next, finally, as I said, a good quality extra virgin olive oil. And I will fill it. To make 1/3 of chilies and the rest of the jar with liquid. Okay, this is fine. Then close the jar and close it very well for it to get sealed, no air going inside. And now let this rest for 15 days for all the flavors to start to mix and for the liquid to start gaining the spice. Every 2 days you should mix, you should stir the jar like this. Okay, every 2 days, this is sufficient. It helps to mix all the flavors and the spice. It is not necessary to put it in the fridge. You can leave it in a dry and fresh place. So let's wait and see. "15 days have gone by, and let's now check the end result. I'm going to taste this sauce. Let's see how it is. Okay, so let's open the jar. And to taste it, don't put nothing inside the jar. A spoon or your finger, don't put nothing inside. So what we're going to do is pour the sauce. And now let's taste it. So now I'm going to taste the sauce. So I let my beard grow. You can see that 2 weeks have gone by. So let's taste it. Great sauce, very spicy, very good. So next in the video I'm going to show you how to sterilize the jar. So here's the jar. This part we're going to hand wash. Hand wash it very well. For the part made of glass, to sterilize it you need a pan. Okay. Fill the jar with water and then fill the pan with water until the jar is all covered. Here you go. And now boil it. Then wait until it starts boiling. When the water starts to boil, cover the pan and wait for 10 minutes. Okay, so the jar is already 10 minutes boiling in this water, so it is already sterilized. Turn off the stove and let's gently take the jar out of the pan. Be very careful when you take it out. Okay, take out all the water. Okay. Okay, so it's done. Now you have a sterilized jar. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and to put a thumbs up. See you and goodbye.